I probably would never have been super natural health guy if it hadn't been for a series of events, because I went through hell. I was enjoying life, you know, up through an early age, and I was always just having fun. I enjoyed food and just enjoying life. Well, what happened was, I used to do anything for fun, and of course, alcohol and food, and we used to experiment with just about anything to have fun, and so we were living kind of recklessly and freewheeling. And what happened was, a friend of mine and I decided to drink a bottle of cough medicine to get high. And at this time, I was 22 years old. And just to explain to you how I got so sick, the next day, I basically felt totally horrible. Like I had an just intense hangover that was so bad. And basically, I was hoping that it would go away. But the feeling persisted for days and weeks. And it actually felt like I had really terrible sinus pressure, headaches, and just intense pressure. And actually, my brain felt like it was just in a total fog. Like I could not think clearly. My brain was slowed down. It was like everything was moving through molasses. And because of this, I felt actually a loss of my own personality, my charm, my wit, my quickness. It actually felt like I couldn't access that. And I felt like I was handicapped mentally. And this was a terrible, terrible feeling. On top of this, plus the headaches and the sinus pressure, I just had no energy. I was completely lethargic. I was so tired all the time. And I would sleep for 12 to 14 hours. And I was tired all day, even drinking coffee all day long. And so when this happened, I was completely devastated. And basically, my life became a nightmare for the next many years. So actually, for about the next 4 years, it was 4 years of hell. And it was a long story. I won't get into everything. But, I dropped out of college. I tried to basically run away from my problems. I went backpacking down to South America and was living down there for about 8 months. And I should have been having fun. I should have been enjoying it. In fact, I was totally miserable. And to make matters worse, I became really reliant on food. And food became kind of my one pleasure in life remaining. And so this was just so painful. I mean, on a physical level, my brain didn't feel like it was working right. My career was out the window. All my dreams and hopes that I'd been pursuing were completely just shattered. And emotionally, it was very difficult. I'm sure, as you can imagine, I basically lost the will to live. What I did hold on to was a kernel of hope, a 0.1% chance of hope that I could ever solve my problems. And that, my friend, is something that I hope that you have. If you're completely hopeless and you think that there's no way to solve your health problems or to get to the next level in terms of your wellness, then I'm afraid I can't help you. But if you have just the tiniest kernel of hope left, then please keep paying attention.